I just wanted to do a quick walk around video on my 92 first gen Cummins. It's a 4-wheel drive automatic truck. Truck's out of northern Utah, one owner, 106,000 original miles before I started the restoration on the truck. It's a full nut and bolt restoration. Everything's either been replaced, refinished, replated. Lots of powder coat, Cerakote. I told myself if I was ever going to do one of these projects that I'd do it the highest quality I possibly could. I didn't want nothing flashy. I really just wanted to bring the truck back to what it was with a better finish, maybe a little more power. Carpet's only been in for a couple days, so it needs to settle out a little bit. So everything's been rebuilt, resealed, heater box, axles, transfer case. Bottom of the cab's all been base coat and clear coated. It's got 3.5 inch Alkin springs underneath it. Bilstein shocks. Four-inch diamond eye exhaust. Original calipers. If there's enough interest in this project, thought I could maybe do another video with all the specs on the engine and interior parts I've used. Also, this is my first YouTube video, so don't eat me live. anyway, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys want another video.